Guys, let me put the light on. Here's the chicken. We're using the Ninja Foodi tonight. Look at that. Perfect. I'm going to cook corn on the cob in here too. And we'll see how it goes. Oh, and the shrimp too. Sorry. Guys, I would show you right now what my face looked like when I took a little nibble of this chicken. But I won't, because I look like a girl who's never eaten before. I was like doing a dance on my kitchen floor. So yeah, I won't show that. It's like a little fat girl in the candy store. But it is yummy. Guys, I just put the shrimp in. They fit here. I just got the chicken done. I put my shrimp on. That's all yummy. Minced garlic and parsley, little lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. And I put my Ninja Foodi on low. Guys, here we go. See how nicely they're coming out? I'm going to give them another, I do think, minute, maybe 2. Some of them, you know, they look pink, still have that little bit of opaqueness to me. All right, good. But it smells amazing. Perfect, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect. Delicious. One of them has one missing. Oh, that one. The first one. Right there. I ate one. Very good. I have some potatoes. I did not parboil them, but I just stick them in the microwave and cook them. Not cook them, you know, like you're going to do, like, and put butter on like a baked potato. But I did cook them in the microwave to give them a jump start. Okay. There you go. I got impatient, so I'm going to eat my dinner. But here you go, grilled potatoes. Guys, I just started this. And again, for me, this is just going to be plain. I'm not even going to put butter on it tonight. Just grilled. I'm going to have to probably sit here and babysit it. Otherwise, it's going to burn on one side. So I will keep rotating it. And again, I did my shrimp, my chicken, everything else in here, the potatoes. So now the last thing to cook is the corn. And again, you guys can do whatever kind of compound you want, from sweet to savory. And even sprinkles of cheese in here. But yeah, but for me, it's just going to be plain. Hey guys, this is what it looked like when I opened up my grill. Okay, it did start getting little marks. And now it's not burnt on the other side. So you don't have to sit here and like babysit it. See? Okay. And guys, here's a really refreshing cold tomato salad. You get your favorite tomatoes. I just happen to have, I think these are grapes, like the multicolored, orange, yellow, green, purple, orange. Okay. Basil, a little onion. I think I used scallions because I didn't have any purple onion today. Garlic, olive oil, a little balsamic vinegar. If you want, you could add a pinch of salt. You know, my oregano, my salt, my pepper, a little parsley flakes. And yeah, yummy. I boil the garlic just to get the bite off because I threw a lot in there. But guys, it's so refreshing. Love the basil. Oh my God, yum, yum, yum. Healthy dinner. This and the grilled chicken and some grilled vegetables we had left over. So delicious, guys. I may just add, I have Persian cucumbers. Those are like, they look like little baby cucumbers, really small, but they have a very delicate skin. You could eat the skin, and you're supposed to eat the skin on those because it's really good. And it's very delicate. I may just add some of those in here. Guys, just some watermelon cantaloupe. I sliced the watermelon pretty thin. You can see that, right? I'm trying to pick up one. Hold on. Put the cantaloupe too. See how thin that is? I just think on a hot summer night, that's so refreshing. Okay.